Welcome to our video on understanding freelancing in English. Whether you are looking to explore self-employment options or just curious about freelancing, you've come to the right place. In this video, we will explain what freelancing is, how it works, and provide you with some invaluable tips to succeed in this field. So, let's get started. What is freelancing? Freelancing is a work model where individuals, known as freelancers, offer their services or expertise to clients on a project basis. Unlike traditional employment, freelancers work independently, without long-term commitments to a single employer. Types of freelancing work. Freelancers can be found in various industries, such as writing, graphic design, programming, marketing, and more. They often offer specialized skills and are hired for specific projects or tasks, providing flexibility for both the freelancer and the client. How does freelancing work? Finding clients. One of the key aspects of freelancing is finding clients. Freelancers utilize various strategies, such as online freelancing platforms, networking, social media, and referrals, to connect with potential clients who require their skills. Tips for freelancing success. Develop a strong portfolio and branding. Building a portfolio showcasing your past work and developing a personal brand helps establish trust and credibility. Clients often look for freelancers who can demonstrate their expertise through previous successful projects. Focus on networking and building relationships. Networking plays a vital role in freelancing. Attend industry events, join relevant online communities, and connect with professionals in your field. Building relationships can lead to referrals, collaborations, and potential long-term clients. Time management and work-life balance. Effective time management is crucial for freelancers, as it allows them to handle multiple projects, meet deadlines, and maintain a healthy work-life balance. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to our channel for more informative content like this. Feel free to leave any questions or comments below. And as always, keep exploring, keep learning, and keep freelancing. And subscribe and